It's just a beautiful, gorgeous autumn day here at LSU, and I'm standing here next to a Leslie Ann camellia, just hanging out with the honeybees. I don't know if you can see them, but they're flying all over the place, collecting pollen from these beautiful little stamens with the anthers where the pollen sacs are, transferring all that pollen, being great little pollinators for us. Leslie Ann is one of our Louisiana Super Plants, and again, it is a Camelia sasanqua. This is an evergreen shrub, so it's got leaves throughout the year, dark glossy leaves. Sasanquas and japonicas, those are both camellias, do great as foundation trees around the house. They're botanically speaking actually a shrub, but you can train them to one trunk to get a tree-like form. And some of them grow up to 10, 15, 20 feet like this Leslie Ann here. Now, this is a Louisiana Super Plant, like I mentioned. Speaking of Louisiana Super Plants, our 2021 Get It Growing calendar is now out. This makes a great gift for family members that love to garden. It comes with gardening tips. Of course, it lists all of the Louisiana Super Plants for the year. Comes with how-to articles. Every month gives you tips on what to do out in the garden, vegetable garden, out in the turf, out in your landscapes. Our 2021 Get It Growing calendar makes a great gift, and it's $11.95. You can go to the LSU AgCenter's website to order one. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.